Not sure if I'm gonna post the video or not, but I just fixed the sagging bumper on the, oh shoot. Just fixed the sagging bumper on Bigfoot, AKA Black Debo. I don't know why in the hell it fixed there, but here, it's like, you know, still a little sagging, but I seen it's supposed to be like some little plastic pieces that go into there. This is a 2000 Silverado with a 04 front end conversion. Soon I'll be replacing the grill and the hood too, to the HD front end or whatever, whatnot. But they got, it could have been done a little bit better. They got these like little zip ties and stuff here that I'm gonna get rid of and all that jazz. I mean, the grill not even coming out, I don't know why they're there, maybe for extra reassurance or whatnot. But anywho's, take these little nasty things off. I've been having these headlights for like, I don't know, like a month or so. We still haven't even installed them. I just opened them up the other day. And I also got some LEDs. I don't do HIDs anymore because they're just a little bit too shaky. So here we go. Show y'all the finish in a little bit. There we go. So with the cat eye grill, this mess made it so easy to pull this out. It already has some LEDs up in there. Normally when I get every car, I do the brakes, the turn signals, parking light check on everything, but this one is actually out. I didn't do it on this one, I should have. So I only bought the front bulbs, the headlight ones, the low beam, so I'm gonna go buy all LEDs. And there's actually a better view on that rod that I just installed. There we go, to fix the bumper. Go back to the last video if I posted it and check it out. Let me get this stuff done real quick. See what the new lights look like. It's early in the morning, man. I'm out here. I hear the birds. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. I haven't opened up all of them, just these ones. Just this one. Oops. Pretty much that's what they look like. I was going with the ones that had all black housing, and this piece was chrome, but I waited like a week, 2 weeks later, they jumped the price to like 80 bucks. I said, hell no. But I got an idea what I'm gonna do with these two later on. It's gonna make them look ugly. This is actually for the driver's side. So let me get the passenger side and show y'all the finished product at the end of the video. Yeah, y'all see that? These are some all right lights, you know? I think I like the lowers better than the bottom. The only piece I don't like is that right there, how it's not like a consistent plastic piece or whatever, but LED strip. Oh yeah, these are LEDs, they actually light up. So get these going and installed real quick, see what it look like. I can't wait. God, let there be dark. Got these little joints installed. Literally just plug and play, no ballast, no none of that. I love LEDs over the HIDs. That's a little broken piece that came out. So I'm about to plug these up and see what it stank. Man, minus that dusty ass light bulb right there, man. This look alright. Oh, 9-day difference. See if I wired everything up right. Turn the headlights on. Look at that. That's terrible. Couldn't see nothing. Oh, I'm about to get my revenge. Crippin' with no brakes. I'm about to get my revenge. I've been driving that VW Golf for over a year and people been blinding me. Everybody about to get a truck when I'm done. I'm blinding everybody, damn it. Whew. Damn. Yeah, that's all right. Let me turn on the turn signal real quick. The LED at the bottom is supposed to blink. Now, the truck is a mess. So I got the blinker on, the LED, and the thing's supposed to blink. Oh yeah. That's all right there. Look like a brand new damn truck, man. That's what's up. Make sure my other one come on. High beam. Yeah, the high beam is on. Yeah, that's the high beam. And they switched over, so I'm good. Turn signal. Here is the final product. That's what she looks like now, man. I would suggest you guys do the same thing, man. Nice little upgrade. The headlights were about, I got them at, they're like 200 bucks, 205. Now they're at 294. So I paid basically 200 bucks for the headlights, 50 bucks. No, it wasn't even 50. It was like $30 for the LEDs, and so under 250. Well, now I guess like maybe around 300 bucks. You can get the same look. Just some eBay headlights. I'm gonna get a video of it at nighttime so y'all can see what it looks like. Next, I'm gonna be doing all LEDs at the bottom and cut the fog light bumper out. Get the 10K deep blue low beams. What are them things called? Fog lights. Next up is gonna be the HD hood and the HD grill. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, and comment so y'all can see some more stuff coming in the videos of the truck. Know what I'm talking about? That's the hazards right there. That look cool, man. Take those off. Make sure this one working. Oh yeah, I'm straight. That's too clean. It's about to, man, I'm about to hurt some feelings, boy. What's going on, y'all? It's a stupid dog. Yeah, so excuse the dog that's barking. I just want to show y'all a video of how the headlights look during the night. Hate that damn dog. That's me unlocking the car. And I'll show you what the headlights on. Hold on, Daddy. So you guys can see it's gonna be pretty damn bright. But check them out though. Huh, Dada? Check them out though. Ooh, for $200.
Daddy.
What, boy?
I'm going in there.
What?
I'm going in there.
You ain't going in there?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's what they look like though, man.
Oh, there's a big wheel.
Turn on the, I'll put on the one of the turn signals for you real quick.
Okay. Let's do this. Okay.
So here's the turn signal. Bang, 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 bang. Get that close up deal for you. Bang, bang, but the left, the left, the left. And then I'm gonna turn that off. I will put the high beams on. You see how they switch? Those are high beams. Can't wait till I get the fog lights in here. I mean, and other than that, it's just the hazards. That's pretty much it, y'all. Those are the hazards right there. So now I'm about to just go get the bottom one's LED and be done with it and do some fog lights. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, and comment for more truck videos. Also, LS swaps.